we are looking at the continuation of laws of algebra. And then we're looking at perfect squares. Okay, this expression and this one are known as perfect square. And don't forget, note that this one, square, implies a plus b times what? A plus b. Also, a minus b squared also implies a minus b times a minus b. What this means is that the expression a minus b is appearing 2 times. Okay? Without wasting time, okay, we can do the expansion in a very fast way. Look at this. What this means is that the first one is squared, and again plus this one times this one, that's AB, and then you multiply it by 2. You multiply this first second by 2, and then finally plus the square of the last one. So that's how to do the expansion of a perfect square. If you're having plus in between, the whole expression will be positive. For the case of negative, you're going to have the first item is square that, then minus this times this, that's AB, then times 2, then plus the last one, square of that. So that's how to do normal expansion of perfect square, okay, without wasting time. Okay, if you like, also you can do your normal expansion, okay, and if you do it this way, you get the same mark. Okay, so that's that. The only observation is that for the case of positive, everything will be positive. For the case of negative, the middle here is negative, while the other last one will be positive. Let's look at the question. We have the following question: expand and simplify using perfect squares. Okay, so we have the first question as this. Solution: the first one, we have this. I'm using perfect square. Okay, so recall a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So apply that. This is your a, and this is your b. So that will be 3x squared. Then plus 2 times a is 3x. B is what? 5. Then plus b squared, which is 5 squared. And this will be what? 3 squared is 9. And then this one squared. We have this. 3 times 5, that's 15. Times 2, that's what? That's 30. And then plus what? 25. So that finished down. Question 2. We have 4a minus 2 all squared. So this one will be equal to, recall, this is, if you have this will give you what? A squared minus 2ab b squared. So this will be equal to, your a is what? 4a all squared minus 2 times a, which is 4a, and then times b, which is 2, and then plus b squared, which is what? 4. So this will be, this one affect this, that will be 16 a squared. 4 squared is 16. 4 times 2, that's 8, times 2, that's what? 16a, and then it's what? Plus 4. The third one, we have 2b plus 7 all square. So this will be what? 2b, that's a squared, then plus 2 times a, which is a 2b, and then times what? Times b. And then plus b squared. Your b is 7, that's 7 squared. So this will be what? This will be 2 squared, and b squared. 2 times 2, that's 4, times 7, 4 times 7, that's 28, b plus 49. And that finished that. Then the third one, we have 2 minus 3n all squared. So this is your a, and this is your b. So it's going to be 2 squared minus 2 times a, which is 2, and then times what? Times b, which is a 3n, and then plus 3n all squared. So we have 4 here. 2 times 2, that's 4, times 3, that's a 12n, and then plus 3 squared, 9n squared. And that finished that. Okay, let's take another set of questions. We have this question: expand and simplify this expression to power 3. Okay, for us to solve this question, we are going to split this into 2 parts, which will be this times what? Times this all squared. So I'm going to break it into 2 parts. And this will be equal to x plus 3. This one, expand this using perfect square. This will be x squared plus this one times this one, that's 3x times 2, that's 6x, then plus what? Plus 9. Then after that, you can now do your straight expansion. This times this, that's a s cubed. This again times this one, that's a plus 6x squared. Then this again times this one, that's a plus 9x. So I'm through with that. Then this one times this one, that's a plus 3x squared. Then again this one times this one, that's a plus 18x. And finally this one times the last one, plus 27. So the next thing to do now is to arrange the terms. This is a power 3, that's a s cubed, followed by, we have 6x squared here, we have another one here as a plus 9x squared. Then we have 9x plus 18x, that's 27 plus 27x. Finally, plus what? Plus 27. Okay? So that finished that question. So we have these following questions: expand and simplify. This one, this one, this one. So let's see this solution to the first one. X plus 2 to power 3. Okay? What we do here is to split this into two parts. Okay? Then, can we expand this one? This will be s squared. This one times this one, that's 2x times 2, that's 4x. Then plus what? 2 squared, that's 4. Then, you can now begin to expand this one times this one, that's s cubed. This one times this one, that's plus 4x squared. Okay? Then this one times this one, that's plus 4x. This one times this, that's 2. And this one times this one, that's plus 8x. And this one times this one, plus 8. So let's do the arrangement. Final conclusion. So we have that this is 4x squared plus 2x squared, that's 6x squared. Okay? This one and this one, that's 12x, then plus 8. So that's the second one, x plus 1 power 3. Let's split this one into 2 parts. We have x plus 1 times x plus 1 power 2. And this will be equal to x plus 1, do the expansion of this one, so that will be s squared, using perfect square, this one times this one, and then times 2, that's a plus 2x, and then plus 1. Okay, so this times this, that's a s cubed, this one times this one, that's a plus 2x squared, and then this one times this one, plus x, then plus this one times this, s squared, and this one times this one, plus 2x, and then this one times this one, plus 1. So final answer will be equal to s cubed, this 2s squared plus s squared, that's a plus 3s squared. Okay, then we have this one and this one, that will be plus 3x plus 1. And that finished that question. The third one, we have this. Okay, do the same thing also. Split it into two parts. We have this, and we have this square. So we're going to have now, let's do the expansions of this. So this will be 3x squared, that is 9x squared, then plus 2 times 3x, and then times 1, then plus the last one squared. So we have 3x plus 1, this one 9x squared, this one times this, that's a 6x, 2 times 3 times 1, so and then plus 1. So final, then we can do this expansion, so times this one, that's a 3 times 9, that's 27, then x times s squared, that's s cubed, and this one again times this one, that's a plus 18 x, and then this one times 1 plus what? Plus 3x. Then this one times this one, that's a plus 9s squared. This one again times this one, that's a plus 6x. Then this one again times 1 plus 1. So that will give us a 27x cubed. This is a 18x squared. 3x times 6x, that's 18s squared. 18 plus 9, 18s squared plus 9, that's a plus 27s squared. Then this one and this one, that's a plus 9x plus 1. So that finished that question. Okay, there's an icon on this video. Please, if you are here to subscribe, click on it and do that right now. Click on the like button, okay, and begin to type your comment straight away. Okay, and finally, begin to share this video on your social media platform. Thank you for doing that. Yeah, we have this set of questions: expand and simplify. And we have these following questions. Okay, let's go to question 1, the solution. What we do, we have to, this question is in 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. So the first step to do is to make it into 2 parts. Okay, by first expanding this and this, and that will be this one times this one. That will be x squared plus what? Plus x times what? This plus 2. So we have reduced it to 2 expressions now. So we now have this one times this one, that will be x cubed. This one times this one, that's a plus 2x squared. Then this one times this one, that's a plus s squared. And finally, this one times this one, that's a plus 2x. So final answer will be this one and this one. When you are doing algebra, this is algebra, before you can add or subtract a given function, the powers must be the same before you can add it together. Okay? This is having coefficient of 1, so this is 2 plus 1, and that what? 3x squared plus 1 plus 2x. The B part is also in 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to reduce to 2 parts. So this one times this one, that's x squared. This one times this one, that's minus 2x times x plus 3. So this has been reduced now to two parts. So two parts. So we now have this one, that's a s cubed. This one again, that's a plus 3x squared. Then this one times this one, that's a minus 2x squared. This one again, and this one, minus times plus, that's minus. Then 2x times 3, that's 6x. Okay, so let's do the algebra now as the final step. This one is having power 2, this one is having power 2. That means what? It's addable. Okay, but in this case now you are subtracting. So what you are doing, once the powers are the same, you are only deducting, you are only subtracting the coefficients. That's 1. And that was plus 1 plus x squared minus 6x. Okay? Then the c part. The c part also is in 3 parts. So first step, this one times this one, that's an x squared minus 4x. And then times x minus 1. Okay? So this one times this one, that's a s cubed. This one times this one, minus s squared. This one times this one, minus 4x squared. Minus times minus, that's plus. 4x times 1, that's 4x. So final answer will be what? S cubed minus this. So before you can add or subtract, the powers must be the same. And what you are doing is just the coefficient. This is minus 1. The coefficient of this one is minus 1. The coefficient of this one is what? Minus 4. So minus 1, minus 4. That's what? That's minus 5. Then you put that variable by the side. Without what? Plus 4x. So that finished that. So let's combine this one as 1. So 2 times this, that's 10. 2 times this, that's minus 2x. Then this one times this one, that's a plus 5x. And then this one again times this one, that's minus x squared. Okay? Then times 3x plus 1. Okay? So this will give us 10 minus 2 plus 5. That's a plus 3x. Okay, minus x squared times 3x plus 1. Okay? So it's better to use the shorter one to do the expansion. So that will be this one times this one, that's a 30x. This one times this one, that's a 3 times 3, that's 9. And then x times x, that's x squared. And then this one again times this one, that will be minus 3x cubed. And then plus 1 times this, that's a plus 10, plus the 3x. Okay, and then minus s squared. Okay? So on the final note, do the rearrangement. This is the only cube we have. This is the only cube we have. This is 9x squared. This is an s squared. So 9 minus 1, that's a plus 8x squared. Okay? Then the other one, we have 3x plus 30, that's a 33x, and then plus what? Plus 10. And that finished that question. Okay? So that's the end of these segments on the laws of algebra. Okay? The laws of algebra. If you're new on this channel and yet to subscribe, smash the video and click on the notification bell, subscribe, click on like button and send your comments. Okay? And finally, share this video on your social media platform. Thank you for doing that. The next topic will be chapter 4, equations and formulae. So please join the next video on chapter 4, equations and formulae. Thank you.